Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating an index website using the Google API in PHP involves several steps, including setting up your Google API project, obtaining the necessary credentials, and writing the PHP code to interact with the API. Below is a comprehensive tutorial on how to do this. Step 1. Set up Google API project. 1. Go to the Google Cloud Console. Visit the Google Cloud Console, https://console.developers.google.com. 2. Create a new project. Click on Select a project at the top and then New Project. Give your project a name and click Create. 3. Enable APIs. After creating your project, go to the Library section. Search for the APIs you want to use, example Google Search, Google Analytics, etc., and enable them. 4. Create credentials. Go to the Credentials section. Click on Create Credentials and choose API Key or OAuth Client ID depending on your needs. If using OAuth, you will need to configure the consent screen and set the redirect URI. Step 2. Install required libraries. You can use Composer to manage your PHP dependencies. If you don't have Composer installed, follow the Composer installation guide, https://getcomposer.org/download. 1. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. 2. Initialize Composer. 3. Install Google Client Library. Step 3. Write PHP code. Here's an example PHP script that interfaces with the Google API. For this example, let's assume we're using the Google Custom Search API to index web pages. 1. Create a new file named index.php and add the following code. Step 4. Testing your code. 1. Replace placeholders. Replace your _API_ key with your actual Google API key. Replace your _search _engine _ID with your custom search engine ID. 2. Run the script. You can run this script on a local server, like XAMPP, MAMP, or deploy it to a web server. Access the script via your browser, example http://localhost/Google API index website/index.php. Step 5. Handle errors and debugging. Always handle errors and exceptions to ensure your application runs smoothly. You can modify the search function to catch exceptions. Step 6. Further development. Pagination. Implement pagination for your search results. Styling. Use CSS to style your index page. Caching. Consider caching results to reduce API calls and improve performance. OAuth. If needed, implement OAuth for more secure access to certain APIs. Conclusion. You now have a basic PHP application that uses the Google API to index web pages based on search queries. You can expand upon this foundation to create a more comprehensive indexing website by integrating other Google APIs or enhancing the UI/UX. Make sure to refer to the official Google API documentation, https://developers.google.com, for additional features and capabilities.